Good morning, it's about 7:30 in the morning and we are in Auckland again. I seem to be in Auckland a lot recently with Candice.
Hello.
And her friend Kelly, who has come over to visit Candice. And I'm just the third wheel, but you know.
Awkward.
And we're doing a little bit of a trip. We're gonna go and try and find somewhere to have breakfast. But no, we're open until 8 o'clock, so we've got, you know, a wee bit of time to wait. And then we've got some adventures happening over the next few days, and I will be taking you guys with us. I'm on my phone, so if you can't hear me, that's why. But we have come up with Sky. We had breakfast at a place called Oddity. I don't actually know how to say it, but it was really nice. And now we're up the Sky Tower, and it's been quite rainy recently, so the clouds are really low, but yeah, I'll show you the views from the Sky Tower. And again, I feel like this is a recurring thing at the end of the year. We drove up from Auckland to Whanganui or Whanganui yesterday afternoon, and then we just kind of had dinner and hung out, and then we're here today and we're gonna go out on the boat out to the pool nights and have a wee bit of an adventure. So yeah, it's exciting. We've got 3 GoPros ready, and we'll probably definitely steal footage from everyone tonight when we get back. Yay for snorkeling and supboarding and all the things. Yeah, that's the plan for today. we're back in Whanganui now. My hair, just washed it. So we did go out to the pool nights, as you saw. Unfortunately I didn't film nearly as much as I hoped that I would, and I didn't do as much as I hoped I would because the sea was quite rough, which means that I ended up being seasick. So that was fun. So I didn't end up in the water as much as I would normally be. Normally I would have been in there like forever. But I did get in and I did see stuff and film stuff, and the others did as well. So I'll steal some of their footage, and I have stolen some of their footage and put it in before this, you would have seen. Yeah, so that was not cool, but it's pretty awesome. Definitely recommend to go and do and see and stuff. But yeah, we're back in the little hotel that we're staying in, and you know, just going to chill. We've had tea and stuff. Tomorrow we will be doing something else. The weather isn't looking great. It is spring, or the end of spring, beginning of summer, so anything can happen, literally weather-wise. We'll leave the video here, and I will do a closing in the future if I decide that I'm going to end it at this point.